The great Jay Lyons. I'm gonna put a flashlight in your face. I'm sorry. What are we doing tonight?
About to be Gucci claws.
I love the lights on this F-150, by the way.
Thanks, man.
For sure.
Appreciate it.
You want to get the Santa suit?
Yeah, it's dope.
Alright, what?
Alright, so we got the cheapest Santa suit that they sell. This was $6. Let's see how good it is. Is it legit?
It looks legit.
Oh yeah, it's got orange. Dude, these pants are my new PJs for real. These pants are like aces.
Oh, I love that. Hold up, freeze right there. I just gotta make sure everybody sees that they're the Gucci's. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Alright, you ready to go spread some holiday cheer?
Hell yeah.
Alright, let's go. You got the lights?
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.